The overall goal of this procedure is to prepare recyclable rubbers via Diels-Alder chemistry.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of rubber recycling, such as how this process can be done in a cradle-to-cradle fashion. The main advantage of this technique is that the methodology is universal and can be applied in a number of polymers and rubbers.
Prepare a 10 weight % rubber solution by dissolving 45 grams of malleated ethylene propylene rubber, or EPM, in 500 milliliters of tetrahydrofuran at 23 degrees Celsius in a closed beaker under vigorous stirring. Add 2.8 grams of freshly distilled furfurolamine to the 10% rubber solution. Stir the reaction mixture in a closed system at 23 degrees Celsius for at least 1 hour. Precipitate the reaction mixture by pouring it slowly into 5 liters of acetone under mechanical stirring. This yields the polymer product as white threads that are easily fished out of the beaker using large tweezers. Dry the collected furan-modified product to constant weight in a vacuum oven at 35 degrees Celsius. Cut the resulting plaque of rubber into small pieces with scissors and wash them thoroughly by immersing them in acetone to remove any unreacted furfurolamine. Compression mold the resulting slightly yellowish product for 10 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius and 100 bar to convert the intermediate amide acid product into the imide product.